Okay, good morning. Just a quick euro dollar DXY update. So yesterday I posted this crazy chart with a potential 108 on euro dollar, which would be crazy, but everything can happen. So it's kind of looking for an H&S head and shoulder, which would have the second shoulder at this level at 120.14, 120. 120.11 more or less. We see now that we are just sitting on the 200 EMA and the 2021 EMA on the daily. Those things are very strong. So you see how it holds the price in many occasions, and it's like a wall we need to break, and we could not break it. We went to this low, we went long here, now we are a little bit stuck in this area. And when I look at the DXY, so that would be, just to finish with it, from here to there, that would be more or less a 0.9% move, okay? You see it here, it's 0.9%. If I do the same on DXY and look for an head and shoulder, we are now here. So first, let's speak about the next shoulder. We would be here more or less at 91.73 or something like that. And if we measure the move from now to there, it would be 1 point. That's not the same candle. So let me put the regular candle on the DXY like that. We have a right measurement, otherwise it's wrong. So if I put this one here, we have 0.5, 0.6%. So that could be very likely that correspond to the euro dollar being in this area. The other thing I'm looking at very closely now is this. I draw two different ABC here, one on a daily and one on a 4 hours. So the blue one is a daily, as you see, ABC. And the red one that is inside here is the 4 hours that we see here. It's this smaller inside 4 hour that we have here. So we can move the low there, or we can move it wherever, I mean, a little bit here or here. It doesn't make a big difference. But what I wanted to show you is that we have been sitting on this 382, 238 area of those two ABC. So two out of two solutions we have, or we stay above this 236, and that validates that the blue, the daily, is controlling the move, or we can go to the 236 of the red, and in this case we go to 91.78, and what we see is we are just right on the shoulder level. So if we move this one a little bit more precisely, look, if I put it right on the bottom of this week, let me put the magnet. Okay, now we are right here, here, and there. So everything is perfect. And we see the 236 here is right on what would be the shoulder. Let's move it better because we are a little bit lower here. Okay, and that is what I just saw, 236 right here. So it could be likely, it could be very likely now, or not very likely, but it's one option I'm looking at, because we could see this move. And then here, everybody will think we are done, the DXY is dead or whatever, but it won't. And there it will bounce for the second leg up, I think, up to 94.50 here. And what we see is we have the 161.8 extension of this move in this area, same thing. So I just wanted to share that because this confluence here, or this, yes, this confluence of shoulder and 236 of this ABC is something that catch my attention.